Is it worth it? Is it actually worth it? Yeah, in this video, I'll be sharing with you all how much YouTube pays for 6,900 views. Is it worth it? Why did I say is it worth it? Because it's a short video, and yeah, I made a video talking about why you shouldn't create a short. If you've not seen that video, I'll leave it in the description box. Do want to check on it. So today's video, we're talking about how much YouTube pays for 6,900 views. So let's go straight to the analytics. If you're new here, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, please watch to the end to see how much YouTube pay for 6,900 views. For the video, I am already there. Let's dive into the analytics. For the analytics, we will go, first of all, let's see the reach. Let's see the impression. For the reach, this video showed in feed. It was in YouTube short feed. 11,900 people got to see this video in short feed, okay, and 98% get to watch this video, okay, and through YouTube search, through hashtag pages, channel pages and others, okay, and videos that suggested these videos are vlogs, like my vlog life, yeah, days in the life. My video, a lot of my videos get to suggest this particular video, which is a good thing, okay. Yeah, so one reason why you don't have to stop creating shorts, because your videos will get to suggest, and if your video get to suggest, it's a good thing. So that's why I said you need to watch to the end to find out if it is worth it, if we should continue creating shorts, okay. Yeah, so through the reach, for the overview, let's click on the over 1,900 like that. For the engagement, I clicked on the engagement. We can see that the watch time is good because it has that thick green, okay, which means it is good. 33.2% watch time. Audience retention, so that is a good one. For the audience, let's click on the audience. The audience, we have the age gap, okay. The age gap is started from 18 to 24. We have also 25, is a lot. We have also 25 to 34 years that watched, and we have 35 to 44. We also have 45 to 54 years. We also have 55 to 64 years, and we have 65 and above. Almost all the age range apart from minors, okay, which is less than 18 years. We got almost all the age range. For the gender, which is a good one, we have the gender both male and female, though the female were more, okay. For the female, we have 91.8% female that watched this video, and for the male, we have 8.4%, which is a good one. For the top geographical area, and this is another reason how you get to know how much you're going to be paid for your video, because it depends on the geographical area where people watch your video from. The geographical area that watched this video more came from United States, and also we got Nigeria, and we have India. And if I'm to click again, let's see if we have other countries. We have Ghana, and we also have Kenya. Thank you everyone that watched this video and are still watching my content. I do appreciate you. We have 98% that watch this video. They are people that are not subscribed. So if you are watching this video right now, you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to help me share this video for more viewers to see, because yeah, 98% watch this video and they didn't subscribe, while those that subscribe are just 1.2%, which is very, very low. So yeah, you guys subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. You don't have to pay. It's just free. Just subscribe, and yeah. So let's move over to the revenue, which we are all waiting for. The revenue, this is going to tell you whether you should still create short or whether you should stop. Yeah, and we're going to talk about this at the end. Don't go nowhere. Don't leave this video until you watch to the end. So for the revenue, how you make money, this video made money through short feed ads. So there is what they call short feed ads, which is different from normal YouTube ads. So it is short feed ads, and we also have YouTube Premium. For the short feed ad, it is 96 point. I'm not wearing my glasses. No wonder I'm straining my eyes to see the thing. You guys, no wonder I need to wear the eyeglass to see the thing very well, but almost towards the end of the video before I saw that sometimes. So that's why I was just straining my eyes. Yeah, now I can see clearly. So short feed has 96.0%, while YouTube Premium is 4.0%. You guys, yeah. So that is for the revenue which we got through short feed ads. And for 1,000 view, let's see, this thing safe estimated revenue for 1,000 view, the RPM supposed to be 0.4%, which is very, very low. 0.4%. If you have 1,000 view, you are going to be getting 4 cents. 4 cents. That is it. But for the CPM, YouTube did not show the CPM. It only showed me the RPM, which is 4 cents. Are you guys understand? So that is it. So for 6,900 views, I ended up getting very, very low, which is I ended up getting 27 cents, because for 1,000 view, YouTube will be paying me 4 cents. So let me know in the comment section, is it worth it? Is it worth the hype of creating YouTube shorts? I made a video talking about why you should stop creating YouTube short, blah blah blah. I will leave the video here. Do well to watch. Okay, yeah. So I think for me, you can still create short. For me, you can create short relate to what you are doing. If you create short relate to what you're doing, you're going to get more views, and it's going to recommend your long form videos and all that. So that is why you shouldn't stop creating shorts, in my own opinion. So, but if you are creating a different form of short, it's going to affect your YouTube views. Okay, so yeah, so is it what the revenue is very, very low if it comes to talk about. If it's a long form video that I got 6,900 views, I know how much I would have made. So if you are looking at the revenue part, it is not a option. It is not good for you to create short, because you'll be making small money. You'll be making low revenue. So if you want to make high revenue, create long form videos so that you can keep making money from YouTube. So yeah, so I would say it is better for me. I would say it is better to create long form video rather than creating short, because short video you get to be paid very, very low. You can see that for 6,900 views, which is a lot, I ended up getting just 27 cents, not even up to 50 cents. And for 1,000 views, I get to be paid 4 cents. It's just so I don't know how to put it. I think it is better to create long form videos. Let me know in the comment section which one you think is best for you. Is it best for you to create long form or short form? After you finish watching this video, seeing how much YouTube paid for 6,900 views, for you, let me know what you think. Will you keep creating short, or you create long form video, or you will do both? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you watch up to this point, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up and help me to share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Ciao. Hey.